again. In this video tutorial, we're going to be talking about what is a circuit, well, the types of circuit, the key function of a circuit, and actually what the circuit is used for in electronic history. You're going to learn a lot in this video. Like, stay to the end of this video and subscribe. Actually, I got a lot of advice from my comment section from most electronic hobbyists telling me that I should slow down on my intros on my video, that I should slow down for people to understand and you viewers to understand. So that is what I'm actually doing today. So in this video we're going to be talking about circuits. Yeah, circuit. Do you really know about circuit? No, you don't. So you have to stay to the ending of this video to get great insight and full detailed knowledge about circuit. Stay tuned and subscribe. And one thing again, if you think that there is a noise in the background, I'm so sorry about that. It's actually they're celebrating a actual party. I don't know what they're celebrating, but that is why there's a background in this video. Okay, now firstly, we're going to be talking about circuit. What are circuits? Now, what is a circuit first off? Now, actually, a circuit is a pathway for which electrons flow. Yeah, a circuit can be consist of electronic components which are put together, which are connected together for you to understand and make your project. And it's actually a pathway which electron flow. So without a circuit, you can't build a project. Yeah, you need to draw a circuit, which is actually called schematic. Yeah, you need to put up a circuit to which you have to connect the different electronic components together for you to make the project. So in a project, you need to draw a circuit and you need to combine electronic components to make that project. So that is the definition of a circuit. Let's quickly go into the next one. Now I'm going to be saying types of circuit. I should give the types of circuit. What are the types of circuit? Now we have two different types of circuit. We have the series connection and also the parallel connection. Yeah, series and parallel. Yeah, series and parallel, they have their own disadvantages, which I'm going to be putting on the screen right now. So these different types of circuit have their own disadvantages and advantages that you need to know when you want to talk about them. Now actually they're going to be saying how and what is a series connection and what is a parallel connection. Now a series connection is when different loads are connected in one pattern which electron flow. So it's only connected in one pattern, so electron have only one pattern flow, only one way to flow, while the parallel connection is in the case while different loads are connected in different patterns, which gives the chance for electrons to flow in different patterns. Now let me point one disadvantages out. When the component is damaged in series connection, the whole circuit stop working. Yeah, when the component is damaged in series connection, the whole circuit stop working. But when a component is damaged in parallel connection, the other component continue to work. Here is the simple example which I'm talking about. When one component in series connection is damaged, the whole circuit stop working because electron can't flow anymore. But in parallel circuit, when one component is damaged, the other components are able to function because they are connected separately in different ways. So this is the concept and this is the main advantages and disadvantages of these two types of circuit that you need to know. Let's jump into the next one. Now, in case you don't really understand my first intro or explanation of a series and parallel connection, I'm going to break it down again once again. Now you're going to be saying, what is a series connection? I don't understand really well. Now a series connection is actually connected one after the other in a single path. Yeah, that's like one after the other in a single path. So it only has one path for the electron to flow. While in a parallel connection are connected differently. Let me say we have a power supply of positive and negative. The different components are connected to those two places. Yeah, different loads are connected to those two places, so they are not connected one part after the other. It's actually connected together, like one component positive and negative is connected to the power supply, the other component positive and negative is connected to the same power supply. But in series connection is not like that. It's connected in one pattern after the other. So that is the real explanation of the series and parallel circuits. Now we also have different key elements of a circuit. Like these are the main things that have to be in a circuit for the circuit that these are the main things that have to be in a circuit before you can call it a circuit. Number one is the power supply. Yeah, normally in circuits you have the power supply. Yeah, the power supply is this main source where electric flows and powers the whole circuit. And also we have the switch. Yeah, a circuit can consist of a switch. In case you're making a simple light bulb with a battery, you need to put a switch to turn it off or turn it on. If you're making any project, you need to put a switch to turn it off or turn it on. You need loads. Yeah, the loads that I'm talking about is actually maybe at the output, the thing which the circuit is powering. It can be a fan, it can be a bulb, it can be anything and the conductors. Yeah, conductors are actually the path wires which you draw as the connection in the circuit. So these are the four elements that are needed in a circuit before you can call it a circuit. But normally, let me say some of them may not be there, but it must be there before you can call it a circuit. So these are the key elements that have to be in a circuit before you can call it a circuit. Let's jump into the next one. Now, example of a series connection is actually a Christmas light. Yeah, Christmas lights are actually connected in the series connection, one after the other in one single pattern. Yeah, those kind of thing. Once one load is destroyed, the whole circuit stops working because there is no other path for the electrons to flow. But parallel connections are discussed differently. When one load is actually destroyed, the other loads still work because they are connected separately. They are not connected in one pattern. They are connected two. So that is one important and very important thing that you need to know while connecting your circuit. Now, talking about battery series and parallel connection. Actually, battery series and battery series and parallel connection determines on what you want to use the power supply for. Yeah, if you want to increase the voltage of the power supply, like if you want to increase the voltage and want to increase the current, yeah, either connecting two batteries together. Here is a big break. Connecting two batteries in parallel will increase their ampere, but connecting two batteries in series increases their voltage. So yeah, I hope you get that point. From too fast, I'm gonna break it down for you now. If you want to, like, if you have two 3.7 volt battery, or you have two 3 volt battery and want to achieve 6 volts at the output, this is how you're gonna connect it. You're gonna connect it in series. Yeah, series connection increases the voltage, while parallel connection increases the current. Now, if you have a 3 volt battery and maybe you want to control an aircraft, like you want to control an aircraft which sucks a lot of power, and you want a lot of power. Each power for the batteries are actually 1000 milliamps, 1000 milliamps, and you need 2000 milliamps for you to power that aircraft that you want to that you're making in your project, and you want the ampere of the two batteries to be added together, not the voltage. You're going to be connecting it in parallel. Yeah, you're going to be connecting the positive side of the one battery to the other positive side of the other battery, and the negative side to the negative side of the other battery. But in series connection, you're going to connect the positive side of one battery to the negative side of the other battery, and the other two ends of each batteries are going to be your terminal output voltage which you're going to be using in your project. So that is a simple way if you want to connect your battery in the series and parallel connection. I know this has a lot of explanation talking about the connection of the battery in parallel or series, but I'm just want to break it down short for you. This video is going to be short. It's not going to be long because it's actually the first video of the year. Really planning on a big project. This is just a fresh intro knowledge come up on my head that I want to share with you guys, and I want you to pay attention. If you really don't understand, you can start all over again the video and do all to like and subscribe. Let's go into the second factor. Now, with the second, the most popular example of a parallel circuit is actually a house. Yeah, a house is connected in parallel. Like you can, if your TV is powered here, if you on your TV at this corner of the house and you on your bulb at this corner of the house, you can switch the appliances and the appliance will still work. It will not say that because this appliance is not right here, the whole house will not turn on. That is not like that. You can switch it and it will still work. That is one great example of a parallel connection of a parallel connection. I actually made an example of a series connection, and this is the example of a parallel connection. Also, don't forget, I created a new Facebook account. I would like you to go follow that Facebook account. Please follow that Facebook account. Anybody which watches this video now, check in the description of this video and do all to follow my Facebook account. I actually want to meet up the 10,000 followers. I know I don't have enough subscribers on my YouTube channel, but at least the subscribers I have on my YouTube channel which out my videos to please follow my Facebook account. I actually post my daily life on that Facebook account. I post my daily life, some project behind the scenes, and other different schematics which I don't post on YouTube, and also maybe normally I post links to go into YouTube to watch videos. So you're going to see a lot of that in my Facebook account. So do well to follow my Facebook page, and I will see you there. Thank you very much, and as you do so, God bless you. Just one thing I want to share with you. I thought of something on my channel. People tell me that I should post 2 times or 3 times in a week, but actually I said that I only have a chance to post videos 1 time in a week, and actually I think it's maybe reducing my channel. My channel is not growing the way it's supposed to grow, so I'm going to try my best to post 3 times to 2 times a week. So bear with me, and I hope you will watch the videos and free videos I'm going to be posting out. And yeah, I'm gonna be trying to post 2 to 3 videos in a week for me to grow up my channel, because I think posting one video in a week is just like you already have your audience and you just want to keep going. But if you're struggling and you're grinding up, you need to post more than that for you to get YouTube attention and for them to show your videos to more people. And that I think that I will start doing. So bear with me. We will not be posting one video per week again. I'm gonna be posting more than one video per week, maybe 2 to 3 videos per week. So you're gonna watch that. Stay tuned to that, and thank you very much for watching. Let's go into the conclusions of this video. Stay tuned.